Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Vmprotectsdk32.dll is missing problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Our first solution is to download the missing DLL file. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link guys. You just need to scroll down and select the download option and download it guys. After getting download done, click on the show in folder, right click on the folder and select extract it guys. Select extract. After getting extracted, you just need to copy the vmprotectsdk.dll file, right click on it and select copy it guys. Now you just need to place it in your system guys. To do this, go to this PC, double click on the local disk C. Now double click on the Windows folder. Now search for system 32. If you are using 32-bit PC, you just need to place in here guys. To find your bit of your computer, right click on this PC and select properties, and here are the bit your operating system is. My operating system is 64-bit guys. After checking it, you just need to, if you are using in case 32-bit PC, you just need to paste in this folder guys. In my case I am using 64-bit PC, that's why I'm gonna paste in the sys wow 64 folder. Right click on it and select paste it in here guys. Click on continue. After pasting it, close it off here. Now check your problem solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to copy and paste the missing DLL file, that the error in the folder where the program or the game is installed. Since I got the error in Roblox guys, now what you have to do is we need to put the file where Roblox is installed. Right click on the program you have problem with and click on open file location guys. We already copied the DLL file, that's why right click on it and select paste it guys. Click on continue. After pasting the DLL file, close it off here. This is our second solution guys. If this solution worked for you, don't forget to leave a like guys and mention in comment guys. And let's move on to the third solution. Our third solution is to install two programs from Microsoft. These two programs install the missing DLL files on our computer guys. You just need to check my video description for these two links. You just need to click on the link and click on the download option. We have downloaded DirectX now. The same way you just need to click on the another link and click on the system bit you having it. In my case I am using 64-bit, that's why I'm gonna download this link. In your case you using 32-bit PC, you just need to click on this link guys. After downloading it, you just need to click on show in folder over here. You just need to install it one by one guys. I'm gonna install DirectX first. Click on I accept and select next. Install the Bing bar, uncheck it, select next. After installing DirectX, click on finish. Now the same way you just need to install the Microsoft Visual C++. Double click on it. Click on repair option. In my case I have repair option guys. You in your case there will be a repair option or install option. Click on it. Click on yes. We have successfully installed these two programs guys. Now what you have to do is click on the restart option and restart it guys. After restarting your PC, check your problem resolved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like. And you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.